In this video, I'll show you how to get low ping in Overwatch 2. Now just follow these steps and hopefully it will work out. First, what you want to try is come down here and search for Device Manager. In here, you want to look for your network, right here. Right click on it and update your driver. Now if you're not sure which one is your network, usually look for the one that has some sort of different name than all of these. But if you want, you can just update all of them just to make sure. Now another thing is come down here and search for Windows Update. Make sure you have the latest update, as I have right here. Once you've done that, what you want to do is search Game Mode. In here, make sure you turn Game Mode on. Head over to Game Bar, make sure you turn this off. After that, come down here, search for Task Manager, open it up. In here, you want to look for everything that's using way too much. So in this case, you can see Google Chrome is using so much, CapCut, all my Google Chromes are using way too much compared to my other stuff. So simply click on them and end the task. Now you can go into details here, click on Name to sort, click anywhere and press O, find Overwatch, right click, set priority and choose High. This will choose Overwatch as high priority over other things and will give it a boost. Now after this, come down here and search for Power, edit Power Plan, go back to Power Options, make sure you choose High Performance. You can close this down again. After that, you want to search for a firewall, open it up, allow an app, change settings, press O and look if you have Overwatch in here. I already have one here. If you have it here, make sure you check both of these boxes. If you don't have it, just click allow another app, and then we have to find our Overwatch folder. So you can click on Overwatch, right click, open file location, right click again, open file location, and you'll see where it is. Simply click up here, Control C, browse, click up here, Control B, and press enter. In here you want to click Overwatch Launcher, open, and then add it. Now I already have it added, so I'm not going to add it again, but make sure you have both of these ticked. Now after that, come down here and search for CMD, type in ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. After you've done that, what you want to do is come down here to your internet, right click on it, open network on internet settings. In here click change adapter options, right click on it, disable and right click enable. After that, you can also type network reset, come in here and reset your network. Now keep in mind this will restart your PC, but we have to restart it anyways once we're done. So what you want to do is you can also come onto BattleNet, open it up here, click on this little regions icon and make sure you choose the region closest to you. So since I'm in Europe, I choose Europe. Now after you've done all of that, what you want to do is simply restart your PC and hopefully it should work much better. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.